Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to get these kid-friendly, super cute box braids, stay tuned. So for this video, you'll need 100% Kakalon braiding hair and scalp oil, jam or edge control, a cape to protect the person from the hair that's falling, rubber bands, accessories, a comb, and scissors. Her hair is freshly shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried. We use Mizani milk bath shampoo and conditioner. I am going to begin by sectioning her hair and applying taliah waajid hair and scalp oil. I think that's how you say her name, but yeah, let's get started. And now I'm going to put some oil in the palm of my hands and rub it all into her hair. Starting in the back, I'm going to part it across so I can start her box braid. I am going to take this cutting cape and wrap it around her so it will protect her from the braiding hair. Now this shine and jam is the stuff for braids, okay? And also you would need to have rubber bands. I start by putting a little bit of the shine and jam on her hair and then comb it through. And then take the rubber band and wrap it around. Now I am separating the hair to the size I would like the braid to be and stretch it just a little bit. Okay, so now this part might be a little bit tricky, but basically I am taking one strand of hair and wrapping it around the other strand of hair and locking it in. Now the way that I braid with the rubber band method, I separate the natural hair into two parts and separate the braiding hair into three parts. Place it onto the natural hair where the rubber band is and braid it in. In case you didn't get it the first time, I'm going to show you in this clip how to do it again. Okay, now since I have showed you guys everything that I do, we just gonna keep on braiding, boo. And just like that, we're done. Now I'm going to cut off all of the flyaways on the braids. And she is so excited that we are finally finished. Since I didn't have any perm rods, I'm going to braid it down and roll it up kind of like a pin curl and tie a rubber band around it. On this next clip, I had to record with my phone because my camera died, so yeah. Please excuse the mannequin head in the background and the rubber bands that my 1-year-old threw on the floor. I dipped her hair in hot water and it didn't come out like I thought it was, but it's not too bad. Last but not least, add your accessories, and that's it. That's how I do my rubber band method box braids. There we go. Thanks for watching this video. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I will get on it. See y'all soon. Don't forget to subscribe.